In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the cart icon in WooCommerce. This is a handy tip for those of you looking to streamline your site's appearance or perhaps simplify the shopping experience for your users. We'll walk through each step in detail, ensuring you have a clear understanding of what to do and why. First, let's navigate to your WordPress dashboard. You'll find this is your central hub for making customizations and improvements to your site. Once you're there, look on the left side of the screen where you'll see a menu of options. Find Appearance. It's a section dedicated to managing how your site looks. Click on Appearance, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you should see an option labeled Customize. This is where we're headed next, as it opens the door to a variety of site modifications. Clicking on Customize will take you into the WordPress Customizer. This part of WordPress is useful because it allows you to see changes in real time as you make them. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a panel with different settings you can adjust. Among these, look for an option that says Additional CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and it's a powerful tool for controlling the visual style of your website. When you click on Additional CSS, a text box should show up on your right. Now, it's time to add the CSS code that will remove the cart icon from your store. If you have your CSS code ready, go ahead and paste it into this box. If you're using a pre-prepared snippet to hide the cart icon, make sure it's specific enough to only target the element you wish to change. Paste the CSS code carefully, taking care not to affect other styling accidentally. This step is crucial as the CSS dictates how your site elements display, and any changes you make could have wide-ranging impacts. After you've added the CSS code, it's important to save all your changes. There's a Publish button at the top of the customizer, which you'll need to click to make sure your modifications are saved and live on your site. Until you do this, the changes you've entered won't be visible to your site visitors. Clicking Publish essentially activates your new styles and ensures everything looks just as you intended. And that's it. We've walked through how to eliminate the WooCommerce cart icon from your website with just a few clicks and a snippet of CSS. By following these steps, you've successfully customized your WordPress site to better suit the needs of your business or personal project. As always, keep experimenting with different styles and settings to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks.